Ever wondered what's actually in the food you eat and how it's produced? Well, let's take a moment to delve into the world of organic food. By definition, organic food refers to products that are grown or raised without the use of synthetic pesticides, chemical fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, or antibiotics and growth hormones in animals. But how different is it from conventionally produced food? The difference lies in the farming practices. Organic farming respects the balance of nature, promoting biodiversity and fostering healthier soil. Now, let's talk benefits. Eating organic food can potentially reduce your exposure to synthetic chemicals and pesticides. Some studies even suggest that organic foods might be more nutritious, with higher levels of certain vitamins and minerals. Imagine all these benefits woven into your meals, adding a dash of health and a sprinkle of sustainability to your plate. Now imagine a meal plan that incorporates all these organic goodness for 7 straight days. Day 1 is all about taking the first step towards a healthier you. Today we'll start with a simple and nourishing breakfast. Picture a bowl of organic oatmeal, topped with a sprinkle of sunflower seeds and a drizzle of locally sourced honey. For lunch, let's keep it light yet satisfying with a vibrant organic salad filled with fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, and a homemade vinaigrette. As we move towards dinner, let's delve into something a bit more hearty. How about a delightful organic vegetable stir-fry sautéed in extra virgin olive oil, served with a side of brown rice? And for a sweet finish, indulge in a piece of organic dark chocolate. Remember, it's not just about the food you're eating, but also the quality and source of your ingredients. Choose organic, choose health. Congratulations on completing day 1. 6 more scrumptious days to go. Day 2 will lead you further down the organic path, exploring new flavors. Let's start with breakfast. How about a bowl of organic rolled oats, topped with a dollop of almond butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon? Sweetened naturally with a drizzle of raw honey, it's a nourishing start to the day. Lunchtime calls for a crisp, colorful salad. Mix a variety of organic greens with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a handful of crunchy sunflower seeds. Dress it lightly with a homemade vinaigrette using extra virgin olive oil and apple cider vinegar. As the evening rolls in, let's prepare a hearty organic dinner. A simple yet delicious recipe of roasted beetroot and quinoa salad, garnished with feta cheese and fresh parsley. Let's not forget about snacks. A handful of organic mixed nuts or a piece of dark chocolate can satisfy your midday cravings while providing essential nutrients. 2 days down, your organic adventure is just getting started. Day 3 is about discovering the power of organic greens. Imagine starting your day with a shake, bursting with the goodness of spinach, kale, and a dash of organic honey. For lunch, indulge in a vibrant salad, a medley of lettuce, arugula, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber, all spruced up with a zesty lemon vinaigrette. And as the day winds down, treat yourself to a hearty dinner of roasted Brussels sprouts and bell peppers, complemented by a side of quinoa. In between, don't forget to snack on celery sticks or a handful of green olives. Each meal, each bite is a step towards a healthier you. The diverse range of nutrients in these greens, from iron to magnesium and vitamins A to C, work wonders, fueling your body and mind. 3 days in and you're already reaping the benefits of organic eating. Day 4 will introduce you to some incredible sources of organic protein. Today is all about strengthening your body with the might of protein, but from purely organic sources. Breakfast will be a hearty helping of a protein smoothie, blending organic almond milk with a spoonful of chia seeds, a handful of spinach, and a ripe banana. For lunch, we'll dive into a quinoa salad, packed with legumes like chickpeas and kidney beans, sprinkled with a generous serving of feta cheese. As the day progresses, we'll enjoy an afternoon snack of mixed nuts and seeds, a perfect protein pick-me-up. Dinner will be a lean organic chicken breast served with a side of steamed vegetables. And for dessert, a scoop of organic Greek yogurt topped with a drizzle of honey. It's a day filled with diverse flavors and textures, all providing essential proteins. Day 4 wrapped up. You're over halfway through your organic journey. Day 5 invites you to indulge in the delightful world of organic fruits. Let's start the day with a refreshing smoothie, bursting with the natural sweetness of ripe bananas, juicy strawberries, and a hint of tangy oranges. For lunch, let's whip up a vibrant fruit salad that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Imagine a colorful medley of succulent watermelon, crisp apples, tart kiwis, and a sprinkle of antioxidant-rich blueberries. Now, let's not forget about dinner. How about a light yet satisfying dish of grilled chicken topped with a tangy mango salsa? The combination of savory and sweet, the crunch of fresh peppers with the softness of ripe mango, it's a symphony of flavors in every bite. And for dessert, a bowl of mixed berries over a scoop of homemade vanilla ice cream, a sweet ending to a fruitful day. Day 5 completed. You're doing an amazing job. Day 6 is all about the fiber-rich world of organic grains and seeds. We're heading into the penultimate day of our 7-day organic journey, and it's time to focus on the powerhouses of nutrition, whole grains and seeds. These tiny wonders are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, protein, and other essential nutrients. They keep your energy levels steady and your stomach full, making them a fantastic addition to any meal. For breakfast, consider a bowl of steel-cut oats topped with a sprinkle of chia seeds. Lunch could be a hearty quinoa salad with a mix of your favorite vegetables. And for dinner, how about a comforting bowl of brown rice and lentil stew? Don't forget a handful of flax seeds in your evening smoothie for an extra crunch and a boost of omega-3s. Day 6 done. One more day to go. You're almost there. Day 7, the final day, brings your organic journey full circle. We are wrapping up our week-long adventure with a delightful array of meals that incorporate a mix of ingredients from the previous days. Let's start with a hearty breakfast of avocado toast, topped with a sprinkle of chia seeds and a drizzle of organic honey. For lunch, let's revisit the power of greens with a refreshing spinach and kale salad, mixed with some crunchy quinoa for a protein boost. As afternoon rolls in, indulge in a fruity delight with a bowl of mixed berries, a nod to Day 5's fruit focus. Finally, for dinner, let's celebrate with a protein-packed organic chicken stir-fry, filled with vibrant veggies we've come to love over the week. It's been a journey of exploration and discovery, a celebration of nature's bounty in its purest form. Congratulations! You've completed your 7-day organic meal plan. You've journeyed through 7 days of organic eating. But what exactly are the benefits? Let's take a moment to reflect on this culinary adventure we've embarked upon. Over the past week, we've experienced the full spectrum of organic food, from the vibrant greens of Day 3 to the protein-packed dishes of Day 4, and the wholesome grains and seeds of Day 6. Each day has been a celebration of natural flavors and nourishment, showcasing the versatility and vitality of organic food. So, what are the key benefits of this 7-day organic meal plan? Firstly, it's about health. Organic food is free from harmful pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, meaning you're consuming less chemicals and more nutrients. It's a way of eating that prioritizes the quality of your food, ensuring you're nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer. Secondly, it's about variety. This meal plan has introduced you to a diverse range of organic ingredients, helping you to expand your palate and discover new favorite dishes. It's a culinary journey that encourages exploration and creativity in the kitchen. Thirdly, it's about sustainability. Organic farming practices are designed to protect our environment by reducing pollution, conserving water, and promoting soil health. By choosing organic, you're supporting an agricultural system that respects our planet and its resources. Lastly, it's about mindfulness. This meal plan encourages you to be more conscious of what you're putting into your body and where your food comes from. It's a practice that fosters a deeper connection with your food, promoting a sense of gratitude and respect for the natural world. Remember, every organic meal is a step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. Embracing an organic lifestyle is a commitment to your well-being, to the environment, and to a sustainable future. It's a choice that has the power to transform your health, your kitchen, and the world around you. Remember, every organic meal is a step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. Enjoyed this organic journey and eager for more? Well, you're in luck. This channel is brimming with content that'll help you to extend this fantastic voyage of organic meals. So don't miss out on any of it. Show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. It's a small gesture, but it does wonders to spread the word about the power of organic food. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's right there, waiting for you to join our community of health enthusiasts. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments section. Share your experiences, your favorite organic meals from our 7-day plan, or perhaps your own organic recipes. Your input can inspire others and contribute to this ever-growing conversation. Remember, every step towards organic is a step towards healthier living. Thank you for joining this organic journey. Until next time, stay healthy.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.